Title: Millet, a nutrient-rich marvel and digestive support. Introduction. Millet is a nutritious and adaptable cereal that was a popular food staple for centuries across many regions around the globe. It is packed with vital nutrients and delivering a variety of health advantages. It has gained popularity with health-conscious people. In this article, we'll examine the nutritional benefits of millet as well as explore its role in promoting digestion health. 1. Nutritional profile of millet. Millet is a great source of many vital nutrients. It is a rich source of complicated carbohydrates, diet fibers, proteins, and vitamins, such as niacin, thiamine, as well as the riboflavin, as well as minerals, including iron, magnesium, and the mineral phosphorus. Millet is also gluten-free, which makes it an ideal grain for people suffering from celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. 2. Digestive health benefits. A. High fiber content. Millet has substantial amounts of dietary fiber, which helps in digestion and encourages regular stool movement. Fiber increases the volume of stool, which prevents constipation and maintaining the health of your digestive system. B. The gut microbiota support. A gut microbiota that is healthy is essential for overall health of the digestive system. Millet, prebiotic, offers nutrients to beneficial gut bacteria, which helps in keeping a healthy intestinal environment. This helps to improve digestion, absorption of nutrients, and the immune system. C. Reduces the symptoms of digestive disorders. Millet is known for its calming properties, which makes it ideal for those who suffer from digestive issues such as gastritis, acid reflux, and IBS, also known as irritable intestinal syndrome, IBS. It reduces irritation and inflammation in the digestive tract, easing symptoms and aiding in healing. 3. Supporting weight management. A healthy weight is vital to overall health. Millet is a great supplement to a weight management diet because of the low glycemic index as well as the high amount of fiber. Its slow release of carbs in millet can help regulate blood sugar levels and manage cravings for food, which aids in weight loss and maintenance efforts. 4. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Millet is an excellent source of antioxidants, which includes flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants aid in neutralizing harmful free radicals and decrease inflammation within the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health issues such as digestive problems and certain kinds of cancer. Incorporating millet into an appropriate diet could aid in reducing the chance of developing these diseases. 5. Versatile culinary application. Millet's variety makes it an excellent ingredient in a variety of recipes. Millet can be cooked as pilaf, mixed into stews, soups, and salads, or incorporated into flour to bake cakes, bread, and even cookies. Its light taste and soft texture makes it an ideal alternative to other grains such as rice and couscous. The inclusion of millet in your diet will not only boost your nutritional value but also adds a distinctive flavor to your food. Conclusion. Millet's remarkable nutritional profile and health benefits make it an excellent option to incorporate into your diet. From providing vital nutrients and assisting digestion to aiding weight loss and providing antioxidant benefits, millet is proven to be a nutritionally rich wonder. With its many culinary uses, millet opens up an array of possibilities for exploring within the kitchen. Why not take advantage of the benefits of millet to improve your overall health now?